Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can update from Windows 7 to Windows 10. So let's get started. So the first thing that we have to do is to go to this link. This is Microsoft official link. This will be in the link in the description, and I will show you how you can do it. Go scroll down here and click on download now. This create Windows 10 installation media. Click on this and this should begin downloading. And now that we downloaded the software from Microsoft, we click on it once, just click once, and then right click it and go to properties, and then here make sure you click on unblock this, unblock, and click OK. And now right click on it again and run this as administrator, and here click on yes. And we're gonna close this and we're gonna wait. Now if you get something like unable to start or something like that, error on Windows is occurring frequently on Windows 7 when you try to upgrade to Windows 10. So if you get error like something is not opening, or when you click on this media creation tool, and I made a video about that, you can check the description again. I will put it in the description of the video where you can check and see why is that happening. And of course you can see if it works for you. If it still does not work, let me know in the comments and I will try to find the solution for you and try to help you and see how we can solve the problem. So now we just click on next here, and I'm gonna wait now for updates. Now from here you can choose to keep your personal files and apps, keep personal files only or nothing, so everything will be deleted. And from here, if you want to keep your personal files and apps, I suggest you to first backup to another hard drive, and because you never know what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna click on this one, keep personal files and apps, and as you can see here we're gonna go and install keep personal files. Click on install, and Windows 10 is installing right now, so this can take about half an hour or 1 hour, depends on your PC and your hard disk or SSD if you have. So just be patient and wait for this to finish. And after that, your PC should be restarting and start the Windows 10. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. As I said before, if you have any errors or problems with the Windows installation media creation tool, please let me know in the comments and I will try to fix it for you and find the workarounds or something like that to fix it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.